In this video, I cook up a delicious meal by Lake Tenaya. Then I take a much-needed nap soaking up some cosmic rays. Then begin getting ready for the hike down into the woods where I see some epic views of the countryside. I have some inclement weather show up, but that's okay because that means amazing rainbows over Half Dome. Then I begin the trek out of here and see some beautiful sunset views down into the valley and hope that I can make it out of here without any mountain lions getting me. Morning. Another day begins, another adventure. So I'm gonna grab some gas, gonna maybe get another caffeinated beverage, and then continue on the day. I think there's been some stuff with fires recently. I've seen a lot of these fire crews all around. As you can see, one of the fire crew there. Seen quite a few of them recently. I'm not sure if there's something active going on, but I might hop on the website once I get some service and see if there's any alerts that I should know of before I start my hikes or anything like that. Wow. Upper Yosemite Falls behind me. Did that trail last year and it's a tough one, but beautiful and well worth it. I just stopped in at Curry Village to grab a coffee at Pete's Coffee and saw how the finer half of people lived in luxury at the resorts. It's not where I'm living right now, but that's okay. Tacos by Lake Tenaya. Sun's finally out. That was delicious, but those yellow jackets started to get so bad. By the end, there had to be at least 25 of them, and they'd swarm you. And they weren't really stinging or anything like that, but I mean, they're buzzing up in your face and all around, and I was just hoping I wouldn't aggravate one of them by accident and get zapped by them. But let's go explore down there. Now that sun's out and the rain went away, it's quite warm. It's just so beautiful here. And really peaceful. Lunch was delicious, fueled me up for this hike to North Dome. Planning to do kind of evening / sunset hike. And I'll probably be hiking back in the dark from North Dome. Kind of exciting. And got my headlamp all charged up and I'll be ready to go. So just hoping the clouds and weather, cooperates as much as it can. Come on, Mother Nature, please. We'll see. One thing I'm really trying to make a conscious effort of is to slow down. Take more time just to relax, hike even slower. Try to stop off and take moments just to soak it all in, and then times like this where you're just sitting down by a lake or a river doing nothing, just looking out at the mountains and relaxing, being thankful for life and for being alive. Those are some somewhat ominous clouds. Gonna head back to the car and start getting ready for the hike. All right, bags all packed, and look at that. The sun's breaking through, but still quite a few clouds. I think I just have a blister or maybe a cut. I'm not sure where it came from, but been kind of tender when I've been hiking. So just putting some KT tape on there to kind of cover it up and let the North Dome adventure begin with rain clouds in the distance, but if not now, when? North Dome it is, 4.4. So this North Dome hike is 4.4 miles in and then back. And it's pretty exciting because you're right across from the famous and renowned Half Dome. Should be some really beautiful sunset views as long as these clouds provide some kind of break and let that sunbeam hit right off Half Dome. But either way, we're just gonna take this hike and enjoy it. And some people I just saw, this young couple, said they saw a mama black bear and 2 cubs. So really hoping that maybe they're still along the trail and we'll get to see them as well. Getting a little bit of a sprinkle right now mixed with some hail. Thankfully, quite small pieces of hail, so it's not taking me down, but I'll tell you, man, this weather has been very, very unpredictable. But the more I've hiked in the mountains, the more I've realized that you just have to be prepared for any kind of weather, regardless of what the forecast says. I can't help but smile and think this is what human beings were meant to do more of. Be outside in nature, regardless of the weather. You can see a lot of remains of where a fire once was in this forest. Trees have charred, blackened bark. Many of them burned down and almost charcoal and ash. Wow. There it is, Half Dome. Beautiful. And I haven't seen almost anybody on the trail yet. Handful of people all heading back. Nobody else. So, who knows? May have the North Dome summit mostly to myself. Wow. Some sunbeams are finally hitting Half Dome. I believe North Dome's right there. That's where I'm heading. Whoa. Seems I'm off the beaten path. Good news, I found the actual path. I'm almost at the summit. And over here, Half Dome. besides one gentleman I've seen, I have the entire North Dome summit to myself. Can you believe it? Wow. Dinner of champions, peanut butter and jelly. This may be simple fare, but that's a 5-star view. I did bring dessert tonight. Twix. I haven't had one of these in, I don't know, 8 years. I don't eat much candy, but I thought, why not enjoy it? Oh yeah, that's good. This is unbelievable. Look, Half Dome is now lit up and it's absolutely beautiful. Holy cow. Half Dome is so gorgeous lit up, and then the valley over there. There's a double rainbow right by Half Dome. Oh my gosh, you can see the full rainbow. What is life? Do you remember when I said, let's just see what happens? Let that be a lesson to myself and to anyone else. Oh my gosh, unreal. All right, and after the rainbow and unbelievable weather, it's pouring down rain. So, time to make this 4.5 mile trek back. It's gonna be dark by the time I get back to the car. I'll see you all there. Completely drenched to the bone. Oh man, my pants are soaked. And that storm just came out of nowhere. The rain kind of subsided, so I'm hanging out a bit longer, but it's just hard to pull myself away from such a beautiful place, and it keeps getting prettier by the minute. Chance to get there, but I did the northern part of California. All right, now I'm officially going. Let's head back. Have to film on my phone. GoPro died, but heading up this steep rock. And quite slippery because it rained, so trying to be careful. So I navigated the more technical part of the trail, so it really is mostly easy here on out. I'm telling you, I'm booking it through the steep part. I'm so winded, but I want to get off this more dangerous rock part before dark truly sets in, and that way
I'm on the flatter dirt path. iPhone always makes it a little bit better with the low light sensors, but it's getting really hard to see anything. I'm holding off using my headlamp. Kind of want to conserve battery. I brought my power bank, but forgot my charging cord, so not a lot of good that would do me. Civilization. Thank goodness. It's never felt so good. Well guys, I made it back to civilization. So my headlamp went really dim right as I was nearing the end of the hike, which means the battery is running very low. So I got back just in the nick of time. All I can say is I feel utterly blessed that I was able to experience such a magical and amazing sunset at North Dome. So if you made it this far to the video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It helps us to grow and to reach more people, so thank you. I'm beat. Let's go to bed. All right.
If you liked that video, make sure to check out my YouTube channel where I have a ton of videos just like this one. Hiking, camping, cooking delicious meals, and having fun. If you want to see my newest adventures, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll get notified next time I post.